The missing mother case, Jennifer Dulos, Fotis Dulos, took the stand today, fighting claims he owes millions in unpaid loans to the family of his estranged wife, Jennifer Farber Dulos.
Now, Dulos' testimony came on day one on the trial in this particular case. Channel 3's Mike Savino was in the courtroom today. And Mike, what did Dulos have to say?
Well, of course, everyone was wondering if he'd say anything related to that criminal case, but Denise and Dennis, he just didn't do that today. Instead, he focused on his relationship with his late father-in-law, Hilliard Farber. He described it as a very loving relationship, in fact saying that Farber loaned him millions of dollars for his company. At one point, the relationship got even more casual, that he would loan the money to Dulos interest-free, that Dulos would repay that money as projects got completed. But lawyers for the family paint a very different picture.
He was incredibly supportive. He provided advice. He provided capital over the years.
Fotis Dulos on the stand today, accused in a lawsuit of owing more than $2 million to the family of his missing wife, Jennifer Farber Dulos. She's been missing since May. Lawyers for the estate of Hilliard Farber, Jennifer Dulos' father, say documents show Dulos borrowed the money in the form of loans. The family is willing to accept $1.7 million, according to one accountant. But Dulos says he repaid most of the loans, which went to his four-group construction company. He also says after he and his wife had their first child, the financial arrangement with Hilliard Farber became less formal. Dulos says he would simply repay the money when a project was done.
And he thought it was a big success and a big plus for our family and our children.
Dulos also says payments listed as loans were actually for building the Farbers a guest house. Fotis Dulos and his company are the only defendants on this case. Jennifer Dulos was removed after she went missing. Fotis Dulos is charged with tampering with evidence in connection with that search. Now, two accountants did dispute some of Dulos' testimony today. One accountant saying he couldn't find any paperwork to back up some of Dulos' claims as far as payments made. Another accountant saying Dulos would claim those loans in tax returns up until 2017, when suddenly he wanted to say that Farber actually had a stake in the company instead. Coming up on Eyewitness News at 6, we'll have more on this case, including how it may impact his criminal case. Reporting live from Hartford, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.